As a pharmacist, I deeply understand the power of topical nutrition and how active ingredients that penetrate to the deepest layers of your skin can transform the appearance and the health of your skin. After all, we're always taught to eat a healthy diet and take supplements, so why aren't we doing this topically for our skin? That's the formulating philosophy behind my Truth treatments, and that's why topical nutrition is so important to all my Truth Skin Health formulations. Super high concentrations of fat-soluble vitamin C in my Truth Transdermal C Serum and Truth Transdermal C Balm, my mineral-packed Truth Biomimetic Mineral Mist, and the complex sugars, amino acids, and niacin in my Truth AHA Energizing Exfoliator. All formulated to deliver key nutrients to your skin cells that accelerate healing and maximize nourishment.
I use the Transdermal C Serum, the C Balm, and the Mineral Mist, and it's made a complete transformation of my skin. I love it so much.
It really helped take away a lot of the redness and some of my acne scars. My skin looks much better.
My husband lent me the biggest compliment. We woke up one morning and he turned to me and he said, "Honey, your skin looks amazing."
And the best part, when you feed your skin cells, you get healthier, more youthful looking, beautiful skin that glows. It's just science. And that's what makes Truth Treatment Systems so unique and so important and so powerful. All you need is 1 or 2 drops of my Truth Transdermal C Serum or a small half pea size amount of my Truth Transdermal C Balm, and you'll understand. So if you're less than thrilled with your skincare, head to truthtreatments.com now and order my Truth Discovery Kit. Use it as directed, and I guarantee you are gonna love the truth.